Ted, ito yung mga maraming langaw, di ba?
Opo, maraming lang, hindi, bago po ito ngayon. O, maraming langaw at saka hindi kagandahan yung amoy na kumakalat ho kasi madaling araw ginagawa daw ho yung dumping. Opo, Bounty Fresh po yung pangalan ng kumpanya.
Yan, Ted. Pero mananawagan ako, Ted, sa mga maraming.
Good day, everyone. We are presenting our project titled Automated Manure Cleaning and Disinfection System. Poultry farms often struggle with manure buildup, which cause strong odors, high ammonia levels, and increased disease risk. Many farms still clean manually using shovels and making the progress slow and unsafe. Our project aims to provide a low-cost automated system that makes manure removal faster, safer, and more sanitary for small to medium poultry farms. This study aims to design and test automated system that reduce manual labor and worker exposure, removes manure through a time-controlled conveyor, minimize odors, disinfect manure using UV and chemical spray, provides an energy-efficient and affordable solution. The significance of this study for farmers is reduced labors, better hygiene and healthier poultry, and higher productivity. For workers, less exposure to harmful gases and pathogens. In conclusion, this system offers a practical and affordable solution that improves cleanliness, strengthens biosecurity, and supports better poultry farm operations.